Tesla is simplifying and scaling its car manufacturing at its Fremont factory. This is helping Tesla to build more cars at its Fremont factory. Hello friends, this is Armen Haryan from TorqueNews.com. As I'm going to tell you what Tesla today told about the Fremont factory, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel, ring the bell and like this video so you help us to grow. And as you know that I'm bringing unbiased Tesla reports and reports about the automotive sector. So today Tesla had its earnings calls and reported quarter 1 earnings. And this is Tesla also spoke how things are going at its Giga Shanghai and Giga Berlin constructions, phase 2 and so on. I have reported already about them. You can check our channel and you can see those are very interesting reports, what Tesla said about the other factories, gigafactories. And here is what Tesla said about the Fremont factory. You know that last week reports came that Tesla wanted to resume the operations at Fremont factory. Then the plan changed, and then this morning CEO Elon Musk was a little upset and he said free America in a tweet, and I reported that. That's a very interesting story there. But later today during the earnings call, this is what Tesla said about how things are going at its Fremont, California factory. I'm reading this paragraph for you. In early quarter 1, we began production of Model Y in Fremont using a combination of new production lines as well as shared capacity with Model 3. Our simplified and scalable approach to manufacturing is starting to take effect. We were able to build more Model Y vehicles in the first quarter of production than in the first 2 quarters of Model 3 in 2017. Model Y production also exceeded the first quarter of production of Model 3 in Shanghai, demonstrating continued improvements in the program execution. Additionally, we achieved positive gross margin for Model Y in its first production quarter. You see, this was the end of the quote. Tesla says they were able to build more Model Y vehicles in its first quarter of production than in the first 2 quarters of Model 3 in 2017. And this is due to a scalable and simplified approach to manufacturing which has been starting to take effect. And Tesla has made a lot of changes, achieving shared production of Model 3 and Model Y. And in a chart that Tesla provided, it said that Tesla is building currently 90,000 Model S and Model X in Fremont annually and 400,000 Model 3 and Model Y in Fremont again annually. Well, thanks, friends. This is the story for how things are going in Fremont. This is Armen Haryan from TorqueNews.com. Please check our former stories that I just reported today about Shanghai and Berlin, Giga Berlin. And have a wonderful day. Please do subscribe to our channel, like this video, and show your appreciation of all the people who help us to bring these stories to you. And I'll see you in our next report. Have a wonderful day. Stay in good health and take good care of each other. God bless you, everyone. See you soon.